Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speaker of English. This is the place where learning English feels easy, calm, and clear. Take a moment. Relax your shoulders. Let your breath slow down. There is no rush here. There is nothing you need to prove. There is nothing you need to fix right now. I'm Daniel, and I'm really glad you're here today. Today's conversation is special because today we're talking about the new year. Not in a loud way, not in a stressful way, but in a real, human way. And as always, Mia is here with me.
Hi, everyone. It feels really nice to start the new year together. No pressure, no fear, no competition. Just simple English and a calm conversation.
If you're listening right now, this moment is for you. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to remember everything. Just listen. Just stay with us. Before we talk about celebrations, before we talk about goals, before we talk about English practice, let's slow down for a moment. When people say New Year, what does that really mean?
For many people, the new year is the beginning of a new calendar year. But emotionally, it feels like a fresh page, a blank page.
Yes, a fresh page. Some people feel excited. Some people feel hopeful. Some people feel nervous. Some people feel tired. Some people feel confused. All of these feelings are okay. There is no correct feeling for the new year.
The new year doesn't ask us to be perfect. It doesn't ask us to change everything overnight. It simply gives us another chance.
Another chance to learn. Another chance to try again. Another chance to move forward, even if that movement is very slow. And when we understand this feeling, celebration feels different. So now, let's gently talk about New Year celebrations. Around the world, people celebrate the New Year in many different ways. Some people decorate their homes. Some clean their houses. Some cook special food. Some wear new clothes.
Many people watch fireworks. They stand together, they count down together. 10, 9, 8, 7.
And at midnight, people smile. People laugh. People hug. They say, Happy New Year.
They send messages, they make phone calls. They wish each other good health, peace, and happiness.
But the night is often loud, bright, busy. Music, noise, lights. And then the morning comes. The night is loud, but the morning feels different. Let's stay with that feeling for a while.
The new year morning feels quiet, soft, peaceful, like the world is taking a deep breath.
You wake up. You open your eyes. There is no countdown, no fireworks, no loud music, just a new day.
That quiet moment gives us space. Space to think, space to feel, space to remember.
And naturally, we start looking back. So let's do that together now. Let's reflect on the year that passed.
To reflect means to look back gently, not to judge, not to criticize, not to punish yourself, just to notice. What went well? What was difficult?
Maybe last year was good for you. Maybe it was hard. Maybe it was confusing. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you lost something. All of that is part of life.
You don't need to blame yourself. You don't need to feel guilty. You made it through the year. You learned something. That matters.
When we reflect, feelings appear. So let's talk about feelings.
Some people feel hopeful in the new year. Some feel excited.
Some people feel afraid. Some feel uncertain.
And some people feel nothing at all, just tired.
That doesn't mean something is wrong with you.
It just means you're human. Feelings don't change at midnight. They move slowly, and that's okay.
When we understand our feelings, we often think about change. Not big change, just direction.
So let's talk about goals, but slowly, calmly.
Many people make New Year resolutions. A resolution is a promise to yourself.
But promises don't need to be big. They don't need to be heavy.
You don't need 10 goals. You don't need pressure.
One small goal is enough.
For example, I will practice English for 10 minutes a day.
Simple, realistic, kind.
Goals live inside daily life. So let's talk about daily life.
The new year begins in small ways. You wake up, you drink water, you sit quietly.
You don't need to change everything in one day.
Small habits grow slowly.
English learning is the same. Not hours, not pressure. Moments. Listen to this simple conversation. How was your new year? It was calm and peaceful. That sounds nice. Yes, I wanted a slow start this year.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am starting this year calmly.
I don't need to rush. I will practice English every day.
Small steps are enough.
I believe in myself.
Let me tell you a longer story now. There was a learner who wanted to speak English confidently. Every new year, they made big plans. They bought books, they watched videos, they felt motivated.
But after some time, they felt tired. They missed days. They felt guilty. They stopped.
One year, they decided something different. Just 5 minutes a day. No pressure, no guilt.
Some days they practiced, some days they didn't. But they always came back.
After many months, their English changed. Not suddenly, not perfectly, but clearly.
This is how real learning works. Many learners feel shy when they speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake?
But mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is.
When you speak, even with mistakes, you are learning.
Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first.
Confidence grows quietly, sentence by sentence, day by day. Let's imagine a very normal day. Not special, not perfect. You wake up. You stretch. You breathe.
You say softly, "Today is enough."
Later, you drink tea or coffee. You say, "This is warm."
You say at night, before sleeping, "I tried today."
That is learning. Let's practice again. I am learning English step by step. I allow myself to make mistakes. I speak slowly and clearly. I am patient with myself. Every day, I improve a little. Now, listen to these questions. What do you want to learn this year? Why is this important to you? How much time can you give daily? Now let's sit quietly together. No talking, no thinking, just breathing. As we come to the true end now, remember this. The new year is not a race. It is a gentle beginning.
And you've already started by listening today.
Thank you for giving yourself this time.
We'll continue learning together.
Both. Happy New Year. Speak slowly. Learn gently. and keep going.